I was astounded because I don't like to fuss with things, and I could just mush it into my face, and within like 10 seconds, it had taken on me. It had taken on my skin tone.
I love things that can do more than one thing. I can use it as a mascara, as a blush, as an eyeshadow, as a little lip tint. It's perfect.
You know, you can make it a little darker if you want, or make it more sheer. And so that's great. And it feels wonderful on.
It was very nice. It was noticed. This is very simple. It's so luxurious to me.
And the color is just interesting to me because, you know, when I saw the demonstration online, as she started to talk, it started to blend. And it's fascinating to me that it is for all different kinds of women, all different colors of women. I love that part of it.
I've been wearing it on my lips, and I put a little on my cheeks, and then I put a little on top of my eyelids, and it's great. It's really all you need. So it makes going out at night a cinch.
I love the color of the color. This kind of Bordeaux, you know, kind of very nice. It's sophisticated. I like that.
It's nice to have one product that does all that. I feel like that frees me up to enjoy life. To me, I like something that I can throw on my face and I'll be done.
Will Boomstick Color work for me? The answer is yes. The formula of Boomstick Color was designed to be sheer enough for all skin tones to come through and customize the color specifically for that skin tone. Light, very pale, very dark, deep and rich, the entire color spectrum of the human race will work beautifully with Boomstick Color. The color is universal. It's not too orange, it's not too red, it's not too pink. It's not an accessory. It's not something that's gonna match your shoes and your purse. This is about your skin. Your skin's alive. And when your circulation revs up, the surface of your skin changes color in the areas where the capillaries are closer to the surface. And that's different on all of us. When does that happen? When you're embarrassed, when you're blushing, when you get flirted with, when you're working out, or when you're making out. Your circulation revs up and you start to glow and get color. So what Boomstick Color does is it recreates the natural color you get when you're in any of those situations. When you're applying your Boomstick Color, if you have very fair skin, remember to put it on very lightly and blend it very well. And remember to wait 5 minutes before you judge the color, because just the rubbing will have your circulation rev up. So wait until your circulation calms down, and then you can tell how it looks on your skin. Now, if you've got more of a medium toned skin, you might want to apply a little bit more, and you may not have to blend it quite as much. And if you have very deep toned skin, you can press even harder and kind of swipe it onto your skin and blend the edges, and it'll be perfect for you. And all you can do to know that for sure is to try it for yourself. And you know we have 100% guarantee, full refund, less shipping if you are not satisfied with your Boomstick Color. So yes, I hope I've answered your question. Boomstick Color is for all women of all skin tones.